Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and this is what's jumping in my pot today. Roasted Brussels sprout with sweet chili sauce. Now let's get to the ingredients. Sweet chili sauce, low sodium soy sauce, extra virgin olive oil, garlic and scallions. And of course, this is the Brussels sprout. I've already washed the Brussels sprout in lemon juice and cold water. I cut them in half. I placed them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and extra virgin olive oil, and I put them in the oven to bake for 20 minutes. Now, while we have the Brussels sprout roasting in the oven, we'll move on to making the sauce. I already added the chili sauce to this cup and the soy sauce. And all I have to do now is add the garlic and the scallions. And next thing, we take a fork and we mix it all up together. So we'll just set this to the side and wait till the Brussels sprout have roasted in the oven for 20 minutes. The Brussels sprout has been in the oven for the past 20 minutes. I've taken them out and this is the finished product. So now we move on to the next step. We put the sweet chili sauce on the Brussels sprouts that we mixed earlier. We mix it all up into the sauce. We mix all the Brussels sprouts in the sauce. After we mix it all in the sauce, then we put it back into the oven for another 5 minutes. This is the finished product, the roasted Brussels sprout in sweet chili sauce. Here it is. Now you can add a garnish if you like to it. I have some bacon bits here. Earlier I fried 2 strips of bacon and then I crumbled it up. If you want to, you can add this. I'm adding it. Or you can leave it plain without any garnish. This is it with the bacon bits added to it. Roasted Brussels sprout in sweet chili sauce. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, and share. And also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I will see you in my next video. Bye.